What is going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well. As for me, I am doing pretty good. Sitting here with this bright shirt on, about to go throw some bags out at the airport, but want to get a very quick recap in, just showing what the LMD ATS did today. Fairly good day. Took 2 trades. And we are green, with the first trade being a red trade, second trade being a green trade. So we'll look, see what they did and see what we made and get up out of here. Gonna go ahead, bring up the main screen and check it out. So I already got this queued back to Friday, or actually, I'm sorry, what am I talking about? Got a queue back till Sunday. So Sunday, it didn't take anything during that 6 o'clock to 7:30 session. Then the, oh, God dog it. I swear, people always text and call right when I get on here. But didn't take anything. Then we go into the session filter from 7:35 to 11 o'clock. So we see that there. Session comes out of the session filter at 11. Still nothing. Goes into another session filter at 1 o'clock. Stays in that one for an hour. Comes out at 2 o'clock. And then 3 o'clock. Takes a short. It misses one right here. Risk was too high. But had it taken that one, the stop would have been way up there. So let's see if that one would have held on. Nope, it would have stopped out. Then it fired along, 78 points. Risk is too high. Couldn't take that one. And then we do see that stopped out there. This was risking 30 points, so it was risking $60. I checked it at the time. It was down $62. That was with commissions and fees. And then we see at 5:30, it jumps in a short. This one's risking 40 points. So now it's risking $80. If we go 1 for 1, if this loses 1R and this makes 1R, it's a difference of $20. We'll be green $20. I already told you that it took 1 red, 1 green. So you know this one's going to be green, but let's see what it did real quick. Comes down, comes down. I wake up at around 7 o'clock and I open it up. Price is down here, coming back up, and I see this right here. It gets in this cloud, and I'm like, man, should I get out? I think at the time it was up $100, so it was up like maybe 170. So it was up total $100. I closed the phone. I said, nope. I'm willing to. I didn't know that it was only in for the 40 points either. I'm like, I'm gonna either lose $100 or I'm gonna make anywhere from 100 to 700. Let this thing work. And then I did some other stuff over the weekend with ChatGPT, had it looking at some things, which proved that. I'll probably make a video on that here, maybe tomorrow when I have a little bit more time. But we do see that this comes down. It hits step 1. Step 1 will now lock in 1R. So we're good. We know that it's going to at least be a break even day. Then we see, boom, it hits step 2. And I'm like, good job. Now I know it's going to be a green day. Now I know it's going to be a green day. Keeps going. We see it's at 4, which is just a trail out that has no real significance for me. I need to see it hit step 3, which is 5R. Comes down there, kind of bounces, and then comes back up, and then market open 9:30. It gets the push, comes down, hits step 3, which is 5R. Now we got 4R locked in, and then boom, comes back up, tags the 4R. We'll kind of scroll out, see what it does. Makes a move all the way back up. We would still be in this trade because it wouldn't have stopped out had I not had step targets in, but why would I want to fool with that? Lock that money in. This was something I just noticed a minute ago, and I asked Spark. He hadn't replied back to me yet. But did the market really gap down right there? That's like a, what is that? 805 down to like 780. That's like a 25 point gap on one candle. That's kind of rare. But let's go ahead. Let's take a look, see what we did on the day, and then I'm gonna wrap this video up. So we are up 255.90 on the day. That's basically 2.5 R. So good day. Good day. We should be out of drawdown now. Totally. So yeah, doing good. But want to just get this quick video done. I'm gonna go ahead, wrap this video up. Wow, it's 5 minutes. As always, thanks for checking me out. If you hadn't hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. I'm looking at the next news event is 8/12. Look like CPI. So we do have that this week, but we're going to let this thing keep on cranking along. I so want to turn this thing off the rest of the day because I don't want to give none of this back. But one of the things I did this weekend is I had ChatGPT compare back tested data from the date that I started trading versus my actual trades. And back testing, back testing took 20 trades that I didn't take, which means that I didn't have a bot turned on to take those trades. So it would have been up an extra $118. So I just need to let this thing run. But on that note, I'm gonna wrap this video up. We'll be back at it again tomorrow. Peace.